Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Airalo application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So within this application, you can search for data packs for several countries and regions. In the store section, you can find the popular countries, or you can search for the country name. You can search for local eSIM, regional eSIM, or global eSIM. So just choose the one that you're interested in, and in the My eSIM section, you can find your purchased ones, and at the profile section, you can find the account informations, the refer and earn function, your saved cards, your orders, and yes, so overall it's a very easy application to use and very useful one. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.